madam. I cordially invite Mallika ma'am to give away the prizes. Eleventh B1. Yes, Vinod Kumar. 11th B2, V Tharani. And P Sivaprakash of 11th B3. K Monish of 11th B4. AK Hemalata of 11th B1. Thank you, ma'am. I call upon Dr. Saranya Devi to give away the prizes. Yes, Roshan Kumar of 11th B3. Yes, Kanagaraj of 11th B5. A. Gurusamy of 11th B7. Thank you, ma'am. Of 11th B8. P. Kalayarasi of 11th B9. V. Pradeep of 11th B10. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Tuition to give away the prizes. K. Darshana of 2nd B gets the first rank. And B. Vinod of 6th D gets the first rank. We are greatly honored and prideful to have Sir S. Vivekanandan, Principal, MAM Metric High Secondary School, serving for the noble cause of education for over a decade. We are happy to let you know that since the first batch that took the public exam, he has been constantly and continuously producing centum results, both in 10th and 12th standard for the past 8 years. State level 2nd rank, state level 3rd rank and district level 3rd rank are commendating worthy in his career as principal of MA Metric Higher Secondary School. Also in co-curricular activity, a great number of prizes have been bagged in literary competitions and games and sports. Thanks to his inspirational leadership, in recognition of his outstanding achievement and dedicated service, he is honored by our esteemed Sir C. Rakepan, correspondent of MAM Educational Trust, on this momentous occasion. May I request Sir S. Vivekanandan, Principal, MAM Metric School, to receive the honor.
Now I request our Honorable Correspondent Sir, Thiru C. Rathiyappan, to felicitate and appreciate our Headmaster in charge of MAM Higher Secondary School, Sri Domin Segar, for producing 100% result in the academic year 2013 and 14. Correspondent Sir is felicitating with shawl and cash award. It is a reward to his hard work and achievement. Thank you, sir. Now I request our director, Satmari Muthu sir, to give away prizes to a girl, Bavadaranya, Bavadaranya, who has achieved 3rd place in the public examination 12th standard for the academic year 2013 and 14. Thank you very much, sir.
Tamil Department of MAM Metric Higher Secondary School to go over the stage and receive the award and certificate of appreciation. I request Mallika, Director of MAM Educational Trust, to give the prizes for the following teachers. D. Kavitha, M. Kumudam, H. Rajendran, N. Devarani, K. Swamidurai, P. Vanitha, D. Edwin Charles, R. Ramya, L. Vedyamal, R. Bhimavati. D. Kavitha has produced centum result in 10th and 12th standard examinations held in March 2013 and 2014. And the subject average is 92. The highest mark in 12th is 195 and the subject average is 168. Next, M. Kumudam has produced centum results in 10th standard examinations held in March 2013 and 2014. The subject average in 10th is 88. H. Rajendran has produced centum results in 12th standard examinations held in March 2013 and 2014. The highest mark in 12th is 195 and the subject average is 179. Thank you, madam. P. Bhuneshwar. M. Ramki has produced centum results in 10th state examination held in March 2013 to 14. The subject average is 86. Thank you, sir. Next, I request Amsa Madam, the Director of S. Nadesan, C. Periyachi, P. Munusami, R. T. Arangarajan, S. Namashivayam, J. Suganti, G. Sivakumar, N. Kirtana, S. Alagasurya, P. Mohanapriya, M. Anita, M. Kanagavalli, J. Vijaya. R. Gandhimati has produced centum results in 10th standard examinations held in March 2013 to 2014. She produced 13 centums in 10th and the subject average is 99. N. Ganesh Babu has produced centum results in 10th standard examinations held in March 2013 and 2014. He produced 13 centums in 10th and the subject average is 99. K. Albert Bernard Shah has produced centum results in 10th standard examination held in March 2013 to 14. He produced 13 centums in 10th and the subject average is 99. N. Nagamal has produced centum results in 10th state examination held in March 2013-2014. She produced 15 centums in 10th and the subject average is 98. M. Bhuneshwari has produced centum results in 10th. P. Pramila Mary, N.R. Solomon Raj, T. Meenakshi, R. Ahalya, S. Sahida Baham, R. Jamuna, R. Ponveni, S. Surya. S. Amuda has produced centum result in 10th standard examination held in 2013 to 2014. She produced 10 centums in 10th and the subject average is 98. G. Uma Maheshwari has produced 10 centums in 10th and her subject average is 98. R. Pramila Mary has produced centum results in 10th and our subject average is 89. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
S.P. Sankar sir, R. Rajaraman sir, K.M. Elumalli sir, P. Samudra Raj sir, R. Karthik, J. Madhapan sir, K. Madhavi madam, G. Sivaranjani madam, A. Prema Lily Rose, A. Vincent, B. Saravanan sir, and A. Sukhivel sir. In this, S.P. Shankar sir, Rajaraman sir, Samudra Raj, Karthik sir, Prema Lily Payal, and Vincent sir, Saravanan sir are produced maximum 97 marks in their subjects, and they are receiving a special prize cash award. R. Mukhikumar sir, P. Gandhimati madam, R. Deepalakshmi ma'am, C. Priyadarshini ma'am, C. Pradeep sir, G. Sattu, Sangeeta ma'am, R. Karthikeyan sir, and G. Loot. Among them, Deepalakshmi ma'am produced maximum marks in English. Special prize, cash awards are receiving. Department staff, with equal pressure, I will invite our maths department staffs to the stage. Anmuga Priya ma'am, Sri Selvi ma'am, Sivasakti ma'am, Anbalagan sir, Kamala Hasan sir, Kokila ma'am, Lenin sir, Mauli Shri Magin sir, Sugandhi ma'am, and Mogana Sundari. Among them, P. Shanmuga Priya ma'am, Sivasakti sir, Kamala Hasan sir, and Lenin sir are receiving special prizes for their producing centum marks in their subjects, and all other teachers are given centum result in their subjects.
Centum result where V. Srinivasan sir, G. Suresh sir and A. Ramesh sir produced centum marks in physics. They received special class award from our correspondent sir. Irisapasamy sir and C. Veeran sir received the cash prize for their centum marks. P. Suresh sir, M. Jhansi Rani ma'am, A. Arokeshwani ma'am, A. Elumalli sir. Where C. Doming Segar sir receives cash award for centum in biology and L. Duraisamy sir
received cash prize for Centum in Biology, and S. Amarthavalli ma'am and P. Suresh sir have received cash prize for give Centum in 10th standard science exam. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Among them, Navaneethan sir has received cash prize to produce Centum in Computer Science of 12th Standard, academic year 2013 and 14 and 2012 to 13. And all other are produced Centum result in previous years examinations. A. Ganesan sir, D. Vijayan sir, P. Sudha ma'am and S. Saubadi sir all received cash prize for produced Centum in previous years history exams.
Our prizes.